Hey, good day. This is Lauren Schieffer, the Colonel's daughter, with today's Kernel of Wisdom. Well, I think it was Zig Ziglar who first said, "Your attitude determines your altitude." The Colonel was the first person I ever heard it from. And for 40 years of my life, I thought it was entirely his wisdom, regardless of who said it first. It is a certainty. And in Dad's house, a positive attitude was non-negotiable. It's also non-negotiable for leadership. I have never met, nor have I ever heard of, anyone who is wildly successful with a consistently negative attitude. Your attitude, whether positive or negative, is always leaking out of you in some way. The question to ask yourself is, what am I leaking? Is it fresh, positive, and fragrant, or is it stale, negative, and skunky? The reality is you can do everything wrong with a positive attitude and still succeed. On the other end of the spectrum, though, you can do everything perfectly to policy with a stinky attitude and go nowhere at all. We have all met people who light up the entire room just by walking into it. We have also encountered people who suck the very light and life from the space. These people are great black holes of negativity, consuming any and all optimism in their wake. We never want to do that. Maintaining a positive attitude in our inherently negative world is not necessarily easy, which is why we have to be ever vigilant. It may surprise you to discover that positive people don't always wake up with a positive attitude. There are some mornings I wake up and I say, "Good morning, God." There are other mornings I wake up and I say, "Oh, good God, it's morning." A positive attitude is a choice. Significant leaders discipline themselves to that choice every day because your attitude does indeed determine your altitude. This is Lauren Schieffer, the Colonel's daughter. Have a great day.